How to use focus sessions in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to set up a distraction-free work session directly from the Clock app. First, click the Start button and search for Clock, then open the app. From there, click on Focus Sessions in the left sidebar of the Clock app. At this point, you'll see the Focus Session setup screen with a few options to configure before you start. From here, use the timer dial or the plus and minus buttons to set how long you want your session to last. You can go anywhere from 5 minutes up to several hours. Following this, if you want to link a Spotify account to play music during your session, click on the Spotify section and sign in. Your music will start automatically when the session begins. After that, if you have tasks set up in Microsoft To Do, you can link them here as well by clicking on the Tasks section and selecting what you want to work on during the session. From here, once everything is set, click Start Focus Session, and Windows will kick in, silencing notifications and keeping your focus timer visible so you can track your progress. At this point, the session runs in timed intervals, with short breaks built in automatically for longer sessions, similar to the Pomodoro technique. Finally, once your session ends, the Clock app will notify you and show a summary of how long you focused. That's how you use focus sessions in Windows 11. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.